What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going to the Redline Sorority car show, which they call Sorority Row. And basically we just got the Jeep and everything all packed up for the booth. This is going to be the first of the last two shows that I'm ever going to do with the Nine Lines booth. Just because, like, as I've explained before, it's like the brand just didn't really resonate with me anymore, and I wanted to go to shows and enjoy them as like a competitor, or just like take my car and hang out with friends instead of actually going to a show and having to work it. So at least for now, I think the brand really isn't my thing. Maybe some point in the future it'll make more sense, but for now we're closing it out. So we're literally doing like 60% off. I didn't end up running the sale online as I wanted to, so I'm sorry to everyone who was anticipating that or wanting to buy something online from our website. I ended up just closing down the website because it's kind of discouraging to watch that and not make any online sales, because online sales are honestly the hardest part about building a brand and building something online. And that's where you need to make your money, is because online sales, especially now, especially with everything being online today, that's how you push the most volume of product. And if you're not doing that, like, it's really hard to make enough. And the last show that we're going to be doing is August 21st, and that's the Ill Motion Show and Shine. It's apparently their last show, so their last show, our last year, and you know, is what it is. So yeah, we're just gonna head down to Redline Sorority at the Max Bell, probably stop by Tim's on the way, grab some food, and go get set up. Gonna be a hot one today. Car's looking pretty good right now. Again, I didn't have time to actually like do legit ceramic coating, so I just used that spray ceramic again. And it still surprises me. Looks really good. So we'll head down to the show now. What's up?
Hi, French.
Hi.
So
how are you?
You know your wife's more important.
I know, that's okay.
Did you get your envelope yet?
No.
Here it is.
Thank you.
No worries. Melly, you want to take me? So go this way, Zach. You're going to be by SPWC.
Okay.
You're next to the big ass red truck.
Okay.
You got the nice view.
Sounds good. Nice. Okay. So we're like almost best spot in here. They gave us like right on the corner. 3310. Frank's FD LS swap. So sick. Nice beard, man.
Where are you?
Right in the corner. They put me there.
Oh, good fuck.
Yeah. So we'll be literally right on the corner, next to Chris and his massive friggin' truck. We're just gonna get it set up. So the one thing that we actually need, we don't have, because I left it at home, the table. So I'm gonna run to Walmart and grab a table. Man, what the hell? Had to be something. Literally, the reason I didn't have it is because the table is being used right now to put stuff on underneath all the tarp in the garage that I was working on the garage. So the table is like full of stuff and underneath the tarp, so I didn't even see it or think about it or nothing, because it's usually folded up when I go to take the booth stuff. So fun. Hopefully Walmart has a good one. Fingers crossed that they have a good table. So I got two 4-foot tables, like 50 bucks a piece. The width might be different, but at least the length is the same as the tablecloth I already have. This was only 5 minutes from the show venue, so we will head back over there. And crisis averted, mostly. Hopefully I can return these things afterwards. We'll see. Thanks, Walmart. You pulled through. Pretty cool view of the like downtown center from up in this area though, and definitely like behind the show. That's actually where I got some of the pictures like not that long ago on my Instagram. Good spot. Set up. Hopefully the wind doesn't get too crazy, because it was already like grabbing the back wall of the tent, acting as like a sail and pushing the tent. But should be good. Super sick location. Car looks good. Everyone else's cars look good. Not a massive show, but like pretty big. We'll probably walk around in a little bit once more people get parked up in here and show you guys the show. I decided for these last couple shows I'm going to put a banner on my car, so I'm going to do that now. Roxy in her freshly painted Jenny looks super good. White banner looks pretty good with the white wheels, I'd say.
I think so.
Kind of looks like a toy car-ish, but you know. Nice. Alright, well, I'm gonna probably walk around the show now. So yeah, let's go do that.
The shipping tape.
Nice.
Skateboard? Do a kickflip for the vlog?
Actually, no, I don't have one.
I thought you had one.
Should I use that one?
Yeah, you can use it. Just don't. Oh, okay. There was a Porsche here, and the guy was like, "I want a skinny skateboard. But I don't want to fuck the Porsche." He's gonna do a kickflip for his vlog.
No, I'll do a primo flip.
I don't even know what that is.
It's the only thing that I can actually do.
Camera's insane.
It's not. This is only like. This thing's like $400.
Yeah, it's worth more than my life.
Good primo flip this thing. Up into it. I can just like do it.
Just smash her bumper.
Okay, one more. These shoes are like so soft. Also. Almost.
Dude, I think they're too loose. Is the truck's really loose?
It's okay.
How are you?
I didn't know you did formats.
Yeah, I did one of each. Dude, I just eat so much random shit now. People are like, I didn't know you make it. It's like I make everything. If I can make it, it's super easy.
All right. Well, I will continue with my walk.
All right, we'll be here.
Yo, on the vlog.
Oh, let's go. What's up, Zach?
Guys?
Nine Lines is back.
Sort of.
Got B-roll content.
Well, pretty good turnout so far. My camera is like just about dead because Sony batteries last not long at all. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna hang out for the rest of the show at the booth. I will get back at you guys once we're ready to wrap up the show. Nothing like hot food on a hot day. So got some chicken fingers and fries. Those look very good though, to be honest.
Very good. Did you get any sauce?
Plum sauce.
Maybe I'll have a bite.
So that's gonna be good. So I have won my first ever award for best aesthetic. So super stoked on that. Literally, I've never won an award at a car show in my life before. Mind you, I've only really been going to car shows for like the last couple of years anyway. But pretty exciting, super cool. I don't know where I should stand.
Well, this looks really cool.
I should probably get more. Alright, well, show's pretty much over. We can probably start packing up. Yeah, do it. Nice. That's a wrap. It was a good show. And yeah, we'll just head back home. We are back. I'm exhausted. It was so hot all day. And like, I've literally applied sunscreen like 4 times today and I still got super burned. So it's inevitable. I just can't get away from it, I guess. Fair skinned, red hair, reddish hair. I always burn. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably end the video there. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure to drop a like and comment down below. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.